Alta presents ComDart, a compact VHF/UHF RF geolocation system. At any moment, hidden enemies threaten to surprise your tactical forces. Identifying the source of enemy transmissions is vital for survival in today's battlefield and for the success of the mission. Till today, geolocating communication broadcasts has required complex airborne arrays, and there was no viable solution for locating enemy transmissions in the tactical arena. But all that is about to change. Introducing ComDart, Alta's groundbreaking solution for locating enemy communications from a single platform. ComDart provides instant detection and pinpoint geolocation of hostile communication sources, even in complex, dense environments. ComDart ensures enhanced situational awareness for ground forces, providing vital intel to address time-critical targets. A highly compact solution based on a unique, minimally sized sensor, the system is optimized for varied tactical battle spaces. ComDart is also highly effective in a wide variety of different terrains. ComDart's unique capabilities provide the tactical solution to a wide range of challenging scenarios. Locating and separating transmissions in saturated multi-target arenas. Identifying communication centers and headquarters. ComDart is a revolution in tactical combat. For the first time, forces receive direct, real-time operational intel on hostile VHF and UHF communication locations. With the system's simplicity of operation, your field operations become much safer and more effective. ComDart, the breakthrough VHF/UHF geolocation system.